Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest air-cooled engine for Morini Mini Moto Pocket Dirt Pit Bike. Item number 1. 49cc air-cooled engine for K.T.M 50SX Pro Senior Dirt Pit Cross Bike with Carburetor. 49cc air-cooled K.T.M 50 engine for dirt pit bike, fit for Lansen, Zhongshan, Bashan, Shinare, Kazuma, Lifan, Total, Ka-Ya, Apollo, KXD, Zmotos, etc. For displacement, include 2-stroke 47. Item number 2. 50cc air-cooled engine for Morini Mini Moto Pocket Dirt Pit Bike. 50cc air-cooled engine for Morini Mini Moto Pocket Dirt Pit Bike, for dirt pit bike, fit for Lansen, Zhongshan, Bashan, Shinare, Kazuma, Lifan, Total, Ka-Ya, Apollo, KXD, Zmotos, etc. For displacement, include 2-stroke 47cc/49cc mini quad. Item number 3. 2-stroke air-cooled engine 47cc/49cc for K.T.M 50 Junior SX50 Pro Senior Mini ATV Dirt Pit Cross Bike. Air-cooled engine for K.T.M 50 condition, 100% brand new material, metal plus plastic color, as picture shown for dirt pit bike, fit for Lansen, Zhongshan, Bashan, Shinare, Kazuma, Lifan, Total, Ka-Ya. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.